right, guys, it is the end of the night. This is what my kitchen is looking like. We are about to tidy up before we get to bed. It's my 11-year-old's day to help clean up the kitchen. So we are just about to do that. So stick along with us and watch us clean. Cleaning motivation for you guys. Let's go. This is going to take us a lot longer than it seems, but I hope this motivates you guys to get your house nice and clean before bed. So we are all done for the night in our kitchen. Had my 11-year-old helping me clean. teaching her how to do dishes, and it's about that time, about that age, so she can learn responsibility. So I had her helping me, so it made things a lot more fun and easier. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope it motivates you guys to get your kitchen clean tonight before bed. You got this.